Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Suxiong Vac cordless vacuum cleaner. This is an 8-in-1 vacuum cleaner for our home with LED display with 3 suction modes, 45 minutes of run time. It's lightweight, it's a stick vacuum for hardwood floors, for pet hair, and for the carpet. We have here 40 kilopascal powerful suction for a deep cleaning experience. Because of the upgraded high-speed motor that delivers a powerful 4 TKPA suction in maximum mode with 3 adjustable suction levels, 40, 33 and 22 kilopascal, with average light cleaning, deep cleaning, or tackling stubborn masses. This cordless vacuum cleaner has got our covered. Adjust the suction power according and achieve the optimal results for every cleaning task. And we have a smart light emitted diode display. The stick vacuum stay informed with a real-time LED display that shows remaining power, suction mode, and the blockage reminders. It comes here with a user-friendly physical button switches and suction adjustment, prevent an accidental touch. This is making our cleaning tasks more simple and convenient. And we have an upgraded green light and an anti-winding floor brush. This cordless vacuum cleaner with a V-shaped anti-tangle floor brush fits embedded dirt and pet hair from the carpet and hard floors. This reducing the hair tangles and cleaning time. The brush head supports 270 degrees rotations and a green light can detect dirt more accurately than the traditional white LED lights, thus performing a touch-out cleaning experience. And we have multiple high-efficiency filtration, because this vacuum benefits from the 6-layer filtration system featuring a new cyclone technology and a high-density mesh design. Because this system removes up to 99.9% of tiny dust particles as small as zero point 0.1 microns. This protecting the engine and keeping the indoor air clean. We let our family feel like they are always breathing forest air. And it's versatile, lightweight, and it's portable. Assemble the lightweight vacuum cleaner into 8 different combinations to meet all our cleaning needs. Its weight approximately under 3 pounds. The main body. This lightweight design is perfect for one-handed cleaning, and it comes with a range of accessories for versatile use. Sofas, cars, curtains, gaps, stairs, ground, and so on. We have a detachable battery and a long-lasting runtime. It's powered with a 2,200 mAh high-capacity rechargeable battery, so we can enjoy up to 45 minutes of runtime in standard mode. The removable battery can be charged separately. We can confidently complete our cleaning task without interruption. We say goodbye to the hassle of constantly charging our home vacuum mid-clean. And worry-free days with such power, because the Suxiong versatile, cordless, lightweight, powerful vacuum cleaner is perfect for our home. Ultra lightweight, cordless convenience means the powerful deep cleaning for all cleaning needs. We have hyper velocity section, digital display screen, and 3 section modes. Eco mode, mid mode, max mode. Power display, roller block, mode switch, plus minus, jobs done. And a green LED headlight, engineered to emit a clean air. And up to 45 of runtime. So this is long enough as really good device, as you can see. That's all and more brings us this cordless vacuum cleaner to us, because this is the Naden One vacuum cleaner for home with LED display and 3 really good section power modes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!